Guys, welcome to my channel Life Iraqi. Today I'll be going over how to make a simple Zalata de Iraqia. So right here we have the basic ingredients of the Persian cucumbers. I have 7 of them right here. You can get them at the international store. A 1/4 teaspoon of mint, and then 3 tomatoes. You can use Roma tomatoes as well. I have 1 red onion, 1 lemon for the lemon zest, which we're going to include in the salad itself, and then the lemon juice for the salad dressing. And then I have 1 bunch of flat parsley. The curly parsley is too curly for me, so I use the flat one. And then here I have the feta cheese. You can use Parmesan cheese too, but I prefer feta. And then right here I have some garbanzo beans, 1 can of that, and then some black olives. I'll probably add more fresh olives later, but let me just go ahead and strain this and get it cut up for you guys, okay?